Hey guys, it's Otto and Happy New Year, Happy New Decade. Earlier today, I went to my local card shop and I got 2 NBA Hoops 2019-2020, not NBA Hoops, Donruss Fat Packs, 30 cards in each. I think this came from a big box. I just grabbed 2 packs from it. It comes with 1 autograph and 1 memorabilia. Don't know if I'm gonna get either one. Keeping my fingers crossed. And also got some individual cards. I have a Jusuf Nurkic rookie. Gotta support the Blazers. CJ McCollum rookie card. I also got a Vince Carter rookie card. I'm super happy about that. I got a LeBron James Panini Threads 2018-2019. And I also got a LeBron James and Michael Jordan double card. That's pretty cool. Hoping for an autograph and memorabilia. Let's get right to it. All right. Pack number 1. Let's see, does not look like if there's any thick cards in there. Oh, that's a thick stack. Oh, that's a cool base card. This is the design. Donruss 2019-2020. All right. Drew Holiday, Serge Ibaka, Terrence Ferguson, Jaren Jackson Jr., Johnson, Paul George, now on the Clippers. And we got, a patch, a rookie patch. Oh, okay. Tremont Waiters, number /75, rookie Jersey Kings. And player worn, okay. I was not expecting that, I did not see that. There we go, it's number /75, 37 of 75. It's cool, there we go. Then we got Damari Carroll, press proof, numbered /49, 43 of 49. Okay, we'll put. We got TJ Warren, number /349. This will go right there. We have, Crunch Time LeBron James for a healthy helping of buckets. That's kind of cool. And there's a maze on the back. Huh? Oh, that's so funny. It's just like a cereal box. Has all of like the nutrition facts on it. That's pretty cool. I like that one. So I'll put that one around. We have LeBron James, another one. 27.4 points per game. Craftsman. That's cool. These are some cool cards. We have Grant Hill. Okay, we got Grant Hill. Draymond Green. Net Marvels. These are some really cool cards. I like them. All right, we have the rookies coming up. Okay, Luka Samanic. Might be pronouncing that wrong. Kyle Guy. Romeo Langford. Jalen Noel. Rui Hachimura. Isaiah Roby. Then base cards, Kristaps, Marcus Cousins, still waiting for him to come back. Davis, he's been playing extremely good. Jordan Clarkson, LeBron James, and Malik Beasley. Okay, so for pack number 1, I think we did pretty good. I really like these inserts. These are some pretty cool inserts. This one's just kind of normal. I've seen some of that before. But LeBron James and Draymond Green, these are pretty cool. I really like them. And then, it's so funny that we got the memorabilia. That'd be super awesome if we got an autograph in our next pack. Okay. Mario Hezonja. Cavs. CJ. Just gonna fly through these base cards. Then we have numbered to 199 Chuma Okiki. Press proof rookie. Then rookies. Oh, and then we have another crunch time of Nikola Jokic's time. I think he's doing pretty bad compared to last season. And then a Craftsman for Chris Paul. And then Retro Series Allen Iverson. And a Marvels Zion Williamson. I really can't wait to see him back. That's awesome. Guess I'll put that in that insert pile. Grant Williams, Eric Paschal, I don't know how to pronounce that. Nickeil Alexander-Walker, Cody Martin, PJ Washington Jr., Nicholas Claxton, and then I think that has it for the rookies, and I think these are all just base cards. There's Avery Bradley, Jamal Murray, and Jason Tatum. All right, so my highlights of the 2 packs are this Damari Carroll Blue Laser, I think it's called, or Pulsar, numbered to 49, press proof. That one's pretty sweet. I really like that one. And then these ones I've never seen before. This is awesome. I like these types of cards. Crunch Time LeBron James. Just like a cereal box with a little maze on the back and all these facts about LeBron James. It's pretty cool. And then same with the Nikola Jokic. Pretty cool. And then this Net Marvels Zion Williamson. Super cool design. And then this Rookie Jersey Kings Tremont Waiters numbered to 75. All right, so I got these at my local card shop for $15. Definitely recommend picking one up if you see them. At least I had super good luck. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Decade, and goodbye.